Nice long off that supply there. Very nice long. Against the set of single prints. Single prints. Pulled into it. Nice bounce. Now we're looking to see if we can get back up to that 14 level. If I had gotten all my fills, I definitely would be taking some off right here at the 144.08 level. But just because it's MES, I'm not too worried about it. Back to the average price on this one because I started early when we pulled back initially on this and then bought more as we went down. So looking to see if we can get up to about that 10 or 11 area where I look to get out. I mean, really good trade there. See if we can get above the 144, push up, get above that second standard, maybe see all time highs, and the high day sitting there. So we shall see. We shall see. So far, first few times against that 144, bumping our head against it. Not really liking it. And like I said, I do have bids resting at the single prints fill. So if it comes into that 49.99 area, I have bids sitting there where I'll pick up more contracts. I have my stop below 95. I definitely don't want to see us pull back there, but I would not mind being able to buy more at the lows to average my price in a little bit more. Um, Especially on this account where I'm only long four. This one I'm only long two. I'm long four at a higher price here, and it's got more to buy down here at the O1 level. But I'd also be happy. Excuse me. Also be happy to get out here for a nice little profit. Be honest with you, I'd like to see all time highs, but I think I'll take profit if we do push up to that 10 level. Right now we have a wide point of control right there at 0675. Buyers want to move that point of control up to 0850 and then move it up to 11 uh, if they want to make this a more than just a double distribution day, which is what it is currently. We have the lower distribution here, and then we have the upper distribution. So, excuse me, if we want to make this more push up higher, we need to move up those points of control and then explode above 15, maybe get up to 25, and have a consolidation period around that 25-30 level, which I can see happening. But it's all up to how strong these buyers really are. All up to see how strong these buyers really are. So far, I've had a solid day, so I definitely would be giving back if we were to pull back and then take out my stop. I'd be giving back some for sure. But solid day so far. Took longs earlier in the day. You can see that right here. Took longs earlier on the pullback against a set of single prints. Sold it on the push up. Same concept here. We're buying against a set of single prints. Looking to sell on that push back up. So and to be honest with you, I'm probably just going to take. Just going to be patient here. Just going to be patient. See what happens. I'm tired. Drop my phone. So far, I mean, this trade, I mean, it's working out well for the most part. Definitely in profit on one account. I mean, good opportunity to buy there on that pullback. Very good opportunity to buy. So if buyers are serious and they want to pull this market up, we should. Because right now we're just kind of in a state of balance between where we created that set of single prints down here from the 5,000 level and the high up here at 15. So we've just been chopping around in this 15-point range, really. We're more or less between 03 and 13. So really a 10-point range. So if we bust out of this one way or the other, we should get a good direction because we were one time framing up. We stopped that, stayed in balance, and so far it's been nothing but balance. So technically, we're one time framing down because we took out the low, but we only took it out by 2 ticks. So this should, I mean, because it was only 2 ticks that we got into the single prints, that just shows that there are buyers in this market right here, or sellers that are trapped in between that 49.99 level and the 5,003 level. So if we get above the 144 here, the 144 simple moving average, we should pop above it and hit the areas that I'm looking to get out at, which for this account would be right here at 10. And then for the other account, I'm asking 12. Right there, you hear John talking about the 144, and I'm out. Nope. Nope, not out yet. Not out yet. This is a sell. See, I was looking to buy more if we pulled back, but those bids never got hit. So we'll go ahead and pull those out. Go ahead and pull those. So now we just have the one sitting up here, and I think I'm going to actually uh, target just below the high day up here. We'll shoot for 12. Yeah, we'll stick to where we just were, around that 12.25 level. And I don't think I got out on that other. Yeah, not the other yet. Just missed getting me there. We're asking 10. Will I get hit? That is the question. Go ahead and say 504 at 10. Come on. Push up. Push up. And I'm out on that. Nice. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Go ahead and cancel the bid there. And we'll focus this one. So far, I mean, that's just how the single prints work. I'm going to move up my stop to just make a couple points on this trade if it does decide to pull back. And with that, we'll put it just below. What was the low of this candle? Low of this candle was 06. So we'll put our stop there, and then we're going to target high day on this account here. We're going to target high day because that was a very, very strong hold there. So if this market wants to get moving, we should run the stops here at 13 and hit the high day, no problem. Maybe we get a reversal bar, but nonetheless, in the profit here. At worst, I make 2 points. Not a tremendous amount of money, but it's just developing that consistency here. Right now, obviously, I'm in the money a little bit more than just the 2 points, but like I said, I'm looking for a bit more with my stop just below this candle's low right here, which is 06. And we do have a bond auction coming up as well as what John just said. And for those of you that are interested in
Stock was raised again. F. G gives a pullback into the single prince.
Discord room that I am in is going to be Paul's Camelback Trading Room. Very great group of guys. He streams his profile, a live profile being streamed right here. So this is what a true profile looks like. A, B, C, D, F, and G. So the long that I'm taking is in this G period.
I'm with you.
I always have that sitting off on the side. I like to chat with these guys. You know, helps me understand where I'm going right, where I'm going wrong. But we're pushing on up here, just hovering above the 144. Not a bad thing. Like I said, stop still below that 06 level. So nonetheless, I still make a little bit of hay. And we're going to go ahead and move that up by 2 ticks. As you can see here, we're battling that actually got one contract out there. We're battling right there at that first standard deviation. We got above it early in the morning, came back below it, and since then we've just struggled. Right, we've struggled at that first standard deviation. And if you look right here, obviously resistance up there, but another obvious resistant area would probably be right in that range. But we are pushing above it right now, so this could get going to the upside. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close out, wait for the next time frame, and maybe the next time frame will push up pretty good. I'm not looking for it to take out the lows of this candle here. And if it does take out, hit my stop, and pulls back, I will look to get long once again, because I don't think they're going to just piss this day away as they're holding a gap to the upside for the buyers, right? If we pull this up, we're holding a gap to the upside, coming out of a double inside day above balance and pushing higher, right? Outside week up, we want to see continuation. So we have an outside week up potential. Want to see continuation. We have an inside day up, breaking out of balance. So we want to see continuation to the upside. That meaning doing exactly what we're doing, have a set of single prints, a little bit of a distribution, an accumulation of price being confirmed up here above the 5,000 level for the first time, and then maybe we see another leg to the upside, something like that, and then we get a couple more consolidation periods up here going into the close. That's kind of what I'm looking for. If not, then we may just consolidate between, just continue doing what we're doing right now, which is consolidate between the two areas. And there you have it. We have the next time frame, and point of control is being moved up once again to that area that I was discussing where we wanted to move it up. So point of control continues to get brought up. Very positive for the buyers. Now let's see what this next time frame has in store for us. Are we going to give it all up? My stop's just right here. I'll either get hit or I'll make some. Either way, I make profit. I'm not too upset about it. Very small position on. So right now we're back testing the 144 on 144 simple moving average on the 1 minute. What you want to see is holding it. However, it looks like we're going to break below it, and that is a stopping point for a lot of traders. For me, my stopping point is just right here. So if we pull back a little bit more, obviously I get stopped out. Not upset about it. Make 2 points. Made more on the other account. Nonetheless, good trade on my end. So if it prints 0650, I'm out. If not, we get back above the 144. This could get legs to the upside, or once again consolidate. So far, we are a couple time frames wide here. I'll pull up the actual profile here. You can see that we are 7 wide. 7 wide here at F's low. What buyers want to do is move this up to G and H's high and be 7 wide. Oh, look at that. Look at that pop. 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 And I'm out. Woo! We love to see it. We love to see it. Oh my goodness. We love to see it. And see, look, boom. Out. High day. And that's how the trade works, ladies and gentlemen. That's how the trade works. Some are going to say because of the bond auction. Others are going to say because the single print's held. But boom, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's exactly what you want to see if you're a buyer. Exactly what you want to see if you're a buyer. And right here, only 36 contracts at the high. So happy I got off where I got off. And now we look for the next trade moving forward, right? That's all we look for. We look for the next trade and see where we can get going. So far up on the day, 43 points on this account and 45 points on this account. Very good trade down there. My only issue I had with the first account is just how early I got into the trade versus the other account. So we'll stop that here, and hopefully you guys take from that what you will, right? Matter of fact, let's just review it one more time. Why I got into the trade, right? See, let's just review why we got into the trade. Okay. We have a gap. Okay. We have a gap that is holding. Inside day, double inside day, boom, breaking out. We're trading yesterday as an inside day since we only took out the previous day's high by a couple points. So double inside day, explosion to the upside, and we're above our all-time high, what we were calling our balance high on the daily. Okay, we pushed up, we're above it, we're holding single prints, and we've been consolidating up here for a period of time. When we pulled back, not only have we held above 5,000 on 1, 2, 3 pullbacks here, each time it's pulled back, there have been buyers that stepped in this market, and clearly that was confirmed here on this push up as we got to the high day and setting new all-time high. So single prints, right? Gap, we are holding the opening. We are now, I guess, back to balance. We wouldn't necessarily be one time framing up. But with that, that is the reason why I took that trade. And the obvious, or not the obvious, but other ways of looking at it is support and resistance. If you look here where the single prints were, right? Each time we pulled back into that area or near that area, it acted as a support area. Obviously, what are we wanting to target if we buy down here? We're wanting to target point of control, get out a couple shares there, and then we want to target the high of day, right? Just rotate from one end of the balance to the other. Now look at what we're doing. We're coming back in. We had a lot of buyers get trapped up here, so now price rotates the other way. Okay, now watch to see if this does fill later in the day or in this time frame. If it does fill, how we react. Will we bounce out of this area, hold the open, and then rotate higher again? Those are the trades that you look for. The dailies one time framing up, outside week up potential, the monthlies one time framing up. Those are the reasons to get in a trade, stay in a trade, and take profits when it is there. Very happy that that worked out. Very happy to share that with you guys. And hopefully you learn how to read on a 30-minute chart and then apply it to your 1 minute, your 5 minute, and your 10-minute charts, however you want to look at those. So catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.